Hello everyone, greetings of the day. And in my today's lecture series, I would like to discuss about the another success story of the new entrant and the new brand in the market in the category of biscuits. Yes, we are aware of the very big brands like Britannia and Parle-G in the case of the biscuits category, which are offered by these companies. But if I'm talking about the success story of the new entrant in these categories, so the success stories will tell us that how effectively and with the help of the various managerial and marketing practices, these brands are leading brands in the market. So, in this lecture, I would like to discuss about the journey of Anmol Industries, and it is an Indian fast-moving consumer good brand with over a net worth of rupees 1,000 crore. So, Anmol Industries, a name that echoes in various parts of North and East India, a name that has an annual turnover of more than 1,000 crores, and a name that has an FMCG working to establish a stronghold in South and East India now. So it is a name existing since 1994. So here I would like to highlight some positioning slots of this Anmol, the right bite biscuits. So the smart choice is what they focus on providing these packages of food items, mainly biscuits, cakes, and cookies. A huge set of 61 biscuit varieties and 26 that of cakes and cookies ensures stability during consumer taste and preference changes. So, what is the USP, the unique selling proposition on point? They have this trustable promoters, yes, senior management team, along with a strategic supply chain, has helped and is the USP of their corporate empire to ensure customer satisfaction. Exactly, the distribution is important for and of course the philosophy of management is important for the success of any business. So the beginning is the company, its first unit was established in Dalkoni, West Bengal in 1994, and it is also where they established their second unit in 1998 also. So let's play the expansion game. That what the expansion game they have, the desire to go big, and the hope to grow lead, along with success lead them to open a new unit in Greater Noida as well, Uttar Pradesh. And further expansion was achieved in the year 2005 when cupcakes, bar cakes, and the tiffin cakes were added to their product portfolio. So then they further expanded in Ghaziabad also, in Bihar also, in the year 2008 and 2011 subsequently. So any success story will also this project the picture of the mark sheet. Yes, mark sheet. I'm saying that the merit or this demerits of any kind of brand we are having. So it is a marvelous history and a experience adds on to their variety and strategy. So it does take an effort to be the fourth largest biscuit brand and the fifth largest cake brand nowadays. So the recognition is also important factor when we are talking about the receiving the awards. Yes, Bank Emerging Companies Award for Outstanding Capital Management has received by Anmol and encouraged them to start their cookies segment in 2014. So this also motivated them open two new units in Odisha also. So moving ahead with the awards category, Economics Times Awards in the year 2015 and 2017 is also a laurel to this industry, and one as a growing industry, and one an outstanding performing established the industry. So this is what they have also grabbed Akshay Kumar as their brand ambassador, capturing a huge consumer segment also. Now it's turn to go global. Yes, of course, they are also a contributed to the Indian export segment. and already ventured into Asian, European, and African markets. They started exploring to 5 new economies also, that's Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, Vietnam, and this Burkina Faso since 2016. So their goals is to be, yes, what yours tastefully to each and every consumer while ensuring this top-notch quality. Yes, top-notch quality is an important criteria in the case of this biscuits categories or the eatables. So their mission is to have a global approach in achieving uniqueness and in delivering best returns to the society. So the vision that the sky is the limit for them, the sky being the best biscuit brand of India, satisfy your midnight carvings. Yes, desire for tasty tea snacks and irresistible cookies. So Anmol Industries is prepared to save the day. Yes, of course, it's an important, this success story in the case of this entrepreneurship, and the Anmol, the right bite choice in the market gives you more values to enhance your yes eatable carving, right, at the tea time, in the morning, in the night. Thank you so much for being with